how to enable note music on Instagram or how to add music to Instagram note. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today's video is based on how to enable note music on Instagram. So then to begin with, check your internet connection, log in into your Instagram account. So first of all, let me show you what actually a note feature look like. So go to your DMs in the upper right hand side corner. Here you can see there is the plus icon located right on top next to your profile. Click on it. As soon as you do that, you can just type in a note, and underneath you can see this music icon located right in between. If you tap on it, now you'll be able to add any sort of music to your note. Now what you need to do is, if you're unable to find the music icon just like mine, here you can see, then what you need to do is, in order to enable it, you need to exit from the Instagram application. After that, go to your Play Store. First of all, check for an update. On the Play Store, type in Instagram. After that, if you see update instead of open, which indicates that app needs to be updated, and as soon as you update it, the latest features might be available on your Instagram account. Check whether the note feature is available or not. Apart from updating your application, if you're still unable to fix it, then what you can do is you can also try checking your internet connection. So for that, you need to go to your settings application and go to network and internet. Here you can just enable flight mode for 20 seconds, and after that you can disable it and turn on your Wi-Fi or mobile data, and that might be able to fix it. So after doing all of these methods, you're still unable to fix it, then you can try reinstalling your Instagram application, and after that, check whether you've got the music icon on a note feature or not. If none of these seems to be working, then it might be due to the reason that you're residing on. Now, the music feature is actually not available in all the parts of the country. So this is actually available only in certain parts. So that might be one of the reasons why you're unable to see the note feature on your Instagram application. Now go to Google and check whether your country supports Instagram note music feature or not. That might be one of the issues. So in this way, you can enable note music on Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.